is Sharon
and Rory,
and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, me and Baba are going to do a challenge video. So as you can see from my face, I have a bare face today. I don't have my eyebrows on yet. What? Yucks?
Yeah.
So I don't have any eyebrows on, and this morning it's already afternoon, by the way. So this morning I only applied the moisturizer and a little cheek tint from Sophie Magic. The cheek tint, yun yung favorite ko na lip and cheek tint. And yeah, that's all I have for today. So I did not remove that one because I wanted to look a little okay in this video before we get started. So yeah, that is what we are going to do for today. Baba is going to do my makeup as a challenge for today, and also we are planning to do a video where Sashi will be doing my makeup as well. So we will be, comparing those videos together, but definitely I will be uploading this video separately para masaya, diba? So without further ado, let's get started, and I'm just going to quickly remove the moisturizer and lip and cheek tint that I have this morning. So we will see you in a minute.
Yeah.
So here are the makeups that I got. I put it out for Baba, so she will be just deciding which palette. Here are the eyeshadow palette and the lashes. There are a few lashes. I only put those ones that will be easy, or I don't know, that I like pala. So here are the palettes, and then mascara, and then some eye stuff, and then some lipsticks. I also choose the ones that I like, and as well as the blush, I only pick those that I really like para hindi siya mag-choose ng out of this world. So here are the powders, my favorite highlighter. Ito lang. Tapos ayan, these are the brushes that she will be using. Pasensya na medyo marumi to, but it's just me that is going to use that. So ayan, so I don't know if you can do an eyeliner because I put an eyeliner here as well. Wala akong gel, ito lang. I don't know if she could do it, but here it is. Oh, my favorite foundation. Ayan, so here are the makeups.
So hi friends, we are back, and I already applied my moisturizer. At the moment, I cannot reveal to you what is the moisturizer that I'm using, but definitely will know about it because I will be doing a review on that as well. So yun nga, ang dami kong satsat. So we are going to start. I apply moisturizer, and I forgot to apply lip balm. Ito pala yung favorite ko na lip balm from, what's it? Mentolatum. So mag-apply muna tayo ng ito para hindi mag-chat. So, yeah, let's get started. So, start na. What are you going to do?
What?
Si Ate is the background, and then Laya sing na. So, ganito lang yung hair ko, guys. I did not bother to, kasi ang init and wala na kaming time. So, yan. Sige ba? So, what are you gonna do first ba?
Foundation?
I don't know. Ikaw, unsa man eyes or foundation? Sige, foundation.
I don't know.
One I might choose. Is that the one you choose? You show that to the camera. So that's one is Baba's gonna use. Ala, ayaw niya mag-focus.
Oh,
Ayan.
ana.
Tabunan mong ating
Makeup
face.
guru.
Ayan. So she is using, she is choosing the integrate foundation. Yan. This is a very lightweight foundation, by the way, guys. Very user-friendly and very summer-friendly. You shake it ba? So the shade that I have is 00, yung pinaka-lightest shade usually. So what are you gonna use? A brush or a sponge? A brush or a sponge? Maybe, ika na sa mani, ay akala ko challenge.
Wait. I don't. Who's gonna?
Did you wash your hands?
Yes. I am
Okay.
very totally clean.
Ate is laughing away. We have an audience, by the way.
Yeah, number 1 fan.
This is my first time being, my makeup is being done by other people. I always do my makeup because I don't have confidence in other people.
You don't have confidence in me?
Yeah.
Kay ate mali.
This is so rough, bro.
Oh, it's fun.
You do it smoothly. No, it's not the brush that is rough. It's you. Try to be tough, but you always got buff.
Dry.
Dry?
I don't know kung ibuta pa sa nose or no.
Bring them to my neck there.
Okay.
6.5 hours later.
1 day later.
1 year later.
48 years later.
So finally we're done with the foundation.
Oh, kabalo asa.
Look up, Ika, look up.
Look up. Yeah.
Ang dami naman dito sa akin. Do you need to conceal something there?
Look up. Napilay. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Okay. Then next. Powder. I'm use this. I'm gonna do what you do. Oh no. Oh no. And you know, you look like you're old. Oh no. Okay.
So she chose this one for you too. The neutral palette that I have. Okay.
No.
Where's my brow, bro?
Hindi mo kapalot sa pag-brow.
Diba? I need my brows.
Wala ang brown.
Yeah. Don't do eyeshadow. You do brows, bro. I
Brow?
have a brow. Yeah.
Oh, you want me to...
I don't have brow.
Oh my
Life's
god!
life.
Oh no! I don't know where to start because you don't have eyebrows.
Basig sa face ko, ah.
Oh no!
Okay.
Oh,
Let me see.
ano na okay hole?
Boot ko.
Let me say hole. Brushing your hair. Okay.
Then,
It does-
then.
It did nothing.
Okay, finally we're done with the brows.
My pakanek. Oh no. You know what? I don't care. 1 hour later.
1 hour or 48 years.
Oh no. Look. There. Away.
So, what look are we going for today?
Random.
Is the random? Okay, fine.
Pakita ko muna.
No! Don't.
Ito din yung color, eh.
Don't ask because it is very, very weird. Oh no!
Oh
I need to take this off.
So friends, we are redoing it kasi si Baba is not satisfied with the first time. Oh my God.
Yes!
How long does this makeup?
It is a very, very special makeup. It will take a year.
What? Are you an Indian?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't move.
Trick to naman ni Mom. Oy.
Oink. Okay, I need the dark. Wait, I think kailangan ko sa other na palette. No, actually, I'm editing. It's normal. And I'm gonna do something from here. Okay, you close your eyes.
Now we're done with the first eye. May oras na.
Yeah, and it
And then the
looks
second
bad.
eye. Okay.
Looks na ako mas better ni ang other side. Oh no.
Nagutom na tayo. Wala na tayong dinner.
I ate a lot, so I'm not that hungry.
Let me see.
Sumuka na yun.
Okay, minute.
See?
Nindot pa.
Not really. Undercooked. Glitter. All over your eyes now. You don't see it.
What?
Stop! Oh, so hindi ako nakuan. Okay. Wait. I need the dark. Yeah. Yes. I am done.
What do you think about my eye makeup, guys? I'm looking at the viewfinder, but I cannot really see
how about now?
myself. So we're doing eyeliner now. Brace yourself. So she is using Etude House Drawing Show, my favorite eyeliner. Okay, let's start na ba? Ang tagal na nito. Ay.
Okay, wait. You have to focus.
Okay, focus.
Pwede ikaw lang kuan. Oh no! Oh no! Ate! Ate!
You need to calm down.
Kabalik ka na!
Go. What do you think of me, oldie?
Yes. Oh no, I destroyed it.
Lagi lang ako sa kaya na.
Yeah! Okay, Can you hold please?
Now, the very scary part, magko-contour na si Baba.
You will look
She's
like
gonna
a
use this
coconut.
Okay? Or don't contour na lang with this one na lang. She'll just use this one because she's a little scared of the contour. So, just going to bronze my face using this one.
I don't know. I'm just gonna
Do it.
I think you look like a coconut.
What?
Okay, I think na. It did nothing.
Oh gosh. My paw hurts already. We're already
Her
more
ba
than an hour here. So which one are you choosing, bro? So by the way, guys, my video is up. The cheat
Ooh.
day video.
Kita naman sila.
Yeah.
Probably that Duge fucking
Of course. It's gonna be up on Friday. Watch out for that because I haven't done any other video. So today is Wednesday. So which one? Hurry up, please.
Between these three.
Fine, whatever.
Para di kayo makita ang eyeliner.
She chose this one. OMG. Okay. I think it's gonna...
Hindi. Ooh. Ooh. Yes.
My God. My blush is up to my eyes.
Bibitaw.
Finally, we're on the lips. What about my
Marvelous.
highlighter na?
Oh, highlighter. Oh my God, it looks like a mountain. Oh, kabalo ako gatang. Shining. Na 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 na. Ooh. Okay, no mas bagay pang tayo. Weird yung lip ko. Can you hold, please? Lips. Ah. Okay, that is.
Na?
Yeah, you. Na, imo na erase. Okay.
Na?
Yeah.
So we're done?
There. Ayoko. Okay. Okay, we're done.
Finally, we're done and I'm gonna look at my face.
And you look like
After
a
how many hours? Ding, 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 ding. Okay guys, are you ready? Of course, I am ready to see my face.
You look like a monster.
I'm nervous. Okay, let's get on. Oh my God. What's wrong with my eyebrows?
I don't know how to.
Okay. I'm so shiny na. I have full of
Yeah.
highlighter. I'm pretty impressed sa the way Baba put my eyelashes. I am okay with the eyelashes. Yeah, eyelashes definitely thumbs up. My eyeshadow looks okay, but the eyeliner is so like
Sick.
it covered almost my entire eyes. Oh my goodness. Where is Ate? But oh my God, my
Ate!
brows.
Ate!
Why are you making my eyebrows thin? I told you to not follow my nose, guys.
I don't
My
know.
brows is lost in this eye. I have a very, very thick eyelashes, but my brows are gone.
Yeah.
But overall, I look.
I tried.
Oh, you tried. Yeah, good. Thank you so much, ba.
Now you have lipstick.
Yes, ba. I don't know how to rate this look of mine kasi I really don't like my sorry half that I don't like my eyebrows.
Yeah.
Haven't you seen my brows? Diba you see how I do my brows? But oh my God. But overall, I'm impressed really with how she put my lashes. Okay lang naman yung eyelashes ko. For the lips, this is not the way to go with the lips.
Weird ka mo lip.
I don't know if you can see it from the camera kung how my face. And let's do a zoom in para mas makita niyo yung katotohanan. Yeah. Guys, this is the final result of Baba's makeup on me. What do you think? So I'm just gonna quickly close my eyes. Ayan. Okay ba yung eyeshadow ko? How's my eyeliner? Did you like it? What about my eyebrows? Where's my eyebrows? It's lost.
Makita man gamay. Inala ko i-redo.
Oh, we do that. We do. So this is Baba's first take on. She is excited really on doing my makeup. So this is her first time. So not bad man ba? It's okay, but obviously I don't wanna go out looking like this. Ruki is laughing over there. Oh, with my face. Oh my God, guys. So overall, not that bad. In terms with the eyeshadow,
Right.
it's fine, yeah.
Right.
Eyeshadow will be 3/5. Eyebrows is 0/5.
The whole look.
The whole look, I'm gonna rate this 3/5. Okay lang. But my
10 ba,
10? Definitely 6 lang. 6/10. Kasi yung ano ko, yeah, it's fine. My face is so shiny, full of highlighter. So yan guys, this is how I look like. Comment below what you think. Did Baba did well? Good? Rate na lang from 0 to 10. How did
Yes.
Baba? Yeah. Ayan. Let's zoom you out again. So finally, we're done with the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video for today. We really, both me and Baba really had fun.
Not
You had
really.
fun ba? Not really. It took us like, we started 5:30? Yeah, I think we started 5:30 or 5:45, and now it is already 7:30, guys. Oh my god. How many hours? It's almost like 2 hours. Already one battery has died. But nonetheless, we did enjoy doing this one. She was so excited to do my makeup. Yeah, and finally she did it. So I really had fun. I really enjoyed. I feel relaxed. I felt relaxed pala when she was applying my makeup. So that's how you feel pala when somebody is doing your makeup. I really enjoy doing bonding with Baba while doing my makeup as well. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and of course definitely give this video a thumbs up if you happen to like it, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos. So thank you so much once again, friends, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on our next video.
Bye!